Hello YouTubers, this is PG Records and God bless everyone. Today I'll teach you how to fix the missing Dolby audio decoder in Adobe Premiere
12.1.2.
and let's get started. I'll leave you a link in the description of the video so you can download the codecs to fix the problem. So let's open up our web browser. I'll paste the link, hit enter, okay, hit download, show in folder, I got it here. Okay, let's close Premiere Pro. Okay, let's install it, double click on it, hit yes, next, finish. Now let's open Premiere. This problem is happening with the Premiere 2018. Alright. Let's make a new sequence again. Hit OK. Okay, let's import our video. I'll go with this one. Okay, let's drag it to our timeline. And voila, there's audio there. Hit play. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit subscribe and see you in the next video. Thanks.